Alright, so we are out shopping. Tomorrow we have a concert to go to, and then Friday I don't think we're doing anything, and then Saturday we are going to our local fair that's going to be in town for this week. So we're getting some supplies for that. And so Mia's are usually our picky one to eat any new foods, but for some reason this morning she asked if we could have hamburgers tonight. So we need to pick up some supplies for that. I'm hoping she eats them. I don't know what got her into wanting hamburgers, but we'll get it and hopefully she likes it. Alright, good morning everyone. We're all up. Girls are eating breakfast. Ricky and I are starting to get ready. I'm going to put on my makeup, and then in a little bit we're going to head over to my sister's to go to one of her concerts this week. That's in our area, and I'm the only one up right now. I just got out of the shower. Gonna make maybe a light breakfast for me since nobody else is up, and then definitely gonna have some coffee and then get everyone else up in a little bit and start getting dressed and things together and waiting for everyone else to get here, and then we're gonna head on out. So on our last day of work before our days off started, I went up and picked up some more cold brew coffee, and I know it's a little early. It's still kind of early for me too, especially since I didn't want fall to get here so soon, because for me that'll mean Mia's really starting school and gonna be in school now. But I got this pumpkin stoke cold brew coffee. Gonna try it, and then I'm also gonna put in this 0 sugar pumpkin pie spice creamer with it. Morning, I just got up. This morning I should say, Mia has a eye doctor appointment that she's going to. It's a follow-up. So when she went to her 5-year doctor's appointment, there was still something not wrong with her eyes, but her eyes, she didn't pass the eye test that they do there, so they recommended us a eye doctor, which we've already been there before. Morning everyone. We are all up. Ricky is actually making breakfast for us right now. The morning and most of the afternoon we're just gonna spend here at home, I think, with the girls, just relaxing and everything. And then later we're gonna be going over to my sister's, and we are gonna be going to a concert again. I know. We're going to go see Billy Idol and Joan Jett, so I think that should be fun. And then next week Mia starts school.